So what's up guys, we're the fourth group and our topic is ellipse. And today we're gonna talk about how its different parts and how to get those parts.
History of ellipse. According to math tutor, Menachmus is the very first mathematician to study an ellipse. On 1602, a German mathematician named Johannes Kepler theorized that the orbit of planet Mars were elliptical. He later introduced the term focus after publishing his knowledge in 1609. A century after Kepler's finding, Edmund Halley, an English astronomer, found that the comet has an elliptical orbit around the Sun.
Properties of an ellipse. Major axis. Longest diameter of an ellipse, passing through its center and both foci. Minor axis. Shortest diameter. Perpendicular to the major axis of the center. Vertex. Is found at the end of the major axis. Covertex. Found at the two ends of the minor axis. And lastly, but not the least, the latus rectum. Passes to the focus of the ellipse.
If the center of an ellipse is at the origin, then the standard form will be if the orientation is horizontal. But if the orientation is vertical, then the standard formula is. On the other hand, if it's not in the origin, then the standard form will be or
the standard form of an ellipse is similar to the equation of a circle, but we have these terms which are A and B, which gives us the information about the major axis, which is the line segment that passes through the foci, and the minor axis, which is a line segment that passes through the center. In order to get the length of a major axis, you need to use 2A and 2B for the minor axis. In order to get the length of the major axis, you need 2A and 2B for the minor axis.
According to an article in qmath.com, a foci is the point that helps to derive an equation of an ellipse. Unlike a foci of an parabola, a foci of an ellipse has two foci. In order for us to get the foci of an ellipse, you would need to use the formula a squared minus b squared equals c squared, in which a represents the major axis while b represents the minor axis. Note that a and b usually represented by 2a or 2b, meaning that we would need to divide it by 2 before substituting it in the formula. Let's play a game called Spot the Difference. The given is have you noticed anything? If you said the leading coefficient in x and y, then you're absolutely correct. Unlike the general form of a circle, the general form of an ellipse is completely different. A circle's leading coefficient in x and y are the same, while ellipse leading coefficient is not similar.
The given in this image is 100x squared plus 25y squared plus 1200x plus 1100 is equals to 0. Let's use your newfound knowledge to answer this equation. First, you have to group the terms and simplify it. Combine the x terms and constant. So it will become 100x squared plus 1200x plus 25y squared is equals to negative 1100. Then, the second step will be completing the square. After you complete the square, you will now add negative 1100 plus 3600 and it will equals to 2500. Bring down 2500 and divide it to 100x plus 3 squared plus 25y squared. If you divide it, it will equals to x plus 6 squared over 25 plus y squared over 100 is equals to 1. That is the standard form of The general form of 100x squared plus 25y squared plus 1200x plus 1100 is equals to 0.